My name is Paul Akidusi. I'm a Centurion certified installer. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure you subscribe, you like, comment. And my YouTube channel name is Installer Paul. So I want to explain how the D20 Smart works. So I've already done the installation now. So I want to close the gate. So the gate is currently closing with a trigger on the phone or a trigger on the remote. But I'm using remote control. So this is a D20 Smart. I will use it for heavy duty gate. I can open the pedestrian from the remote control. So, and I can also monitor the current status of the gate from my phone. So it's counting now. You can notice that it beep, it's counting now. So it counts 16 seconds, meaning I've set it on auto countdown to 16 seconds. So by 16 seconds, your gate will close by immediately 16 seconds. Once the gate is closing by itself. So that's how to use it from the remote control. Then I want to use my phone now. Press trigger button on my phone. Because I've used partial open or the pedestrian, the stop will make noise. But the moment it's clocking to the origin marker, because one of the major advantages of this 20 is that it has two security modes. You can use your origin marker, and it's also used what we call the magnetic counter that is on top of the processor. Although that one is not here. If you want to learn more about that, watch our previous video. So I can also close it back from my phone, and I can monitor the state of the device from my phone. You can see the gate is open now. Let me close it back. It's right closing. So the gate is closing back by itself now. So the device can operate it by your phone and by remote control. And for remote access control, we need what we call Geotra. You can watch my other videos and learn how to program Geotra or how to use Geotra with our Centurion device. So thank you very much and stay blessed.